Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. Myron shipped us his beautiful Road Glide from Indiana. So Myron was having issues with his battery, plus he had an annoying turn-on pop that the shop couldn't figure out. So he just got fed up and shipped us the bike. So we got the bike, went over it, added an NVS Audio T harness with the time delay built in. That took care of the turn-on pop. So he asked me to go over the bike, and any upgrades that I recommended, I would take care of for him. So the first thing I noticed is that he didn't have Tour Pack pods, even though he had the King Tour Pack. He bought the Tour Pack used and figured that he couldn't add the pods since it didn't come with it. We got him the pods, installed them, added a set of 6.5s. Beautiful, we loved it. Upgraded his battery to a Limitless lithium nano HDV3. Then, as I'm tuning the bike and going over the bike, I realized the bike has all Euphoria xpert speakers. So Euphoria xpert mid-bass in the bottom, and it had Euphoria xpert mid-bass in the top. But I noticed the bike didn't have a lot of highs in the front. This is where they installed the tweeters. So after I called him and questioned him about it, he said that when he picked up the bike, it had no tweeters at all. He had to request the tweeters get installed, and that's where they installed them. We went into the EQ to check the tuning on the DSP. Since the tweeters were so far down, they had the tweeters boosted 12 dB in the DSP. So we kept these tweeters hooked up. We added the NVS Audio tweeters in the fairing grill and then retuned the bike. Another thing I'm upset about, they drilled a hole in his fairing for the bass knob. That upsets me. Could have gotten a Dubs bass knob to go here. It would have been a much cleaner look. But since the hole was already there, we couldn't change it. But the bike's got 2 Euphoria amplifiers in the front. The install was really, really solid. These are the few simple changes we had to make it sound right. Sent him a couple of videos, and he's ecstatic. The bike sounds amazing. Nice fit and finish. Completes the look of this beautiful bike. The shop that did the woofers in the bag did a really, really good job. So they're sealed imported, 8-inch Euphoria subwoofers. The only thing I have to nitpick is they left the inside of the saddlebag raw fiberglass, so we went ahead and carpeted it for them and reinforced the topper with a couple more layers of fiberglass. Then we went ahead and carpeted to make it nice and clean. A few simple upgrades, and she is ready to go home. It's got the Euphoria DSP, Euphoria 2000, Euphoria 800.4, NVS Audio tweeters, Euphoria mid-bass drivers, Euphoria weatherproof 6-inch point source, and nothing in the Tour Pack.
Questioning about where I've been, and why must you roll your eyes when I say she's just a friend? I knew before, not like I call you Sabrina, Pam or Tanisha, Andrea either. Girl, we go deeper than any other. Just should not have been a fantasy real. You gave me this beating, baby, this rhythm inside. You made me feel good and feel nice and feel love. Gave me paradise. You're the
Part 2. If I ever fall in love again, next time the lady will be just like you. The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips said hello and I said hi. I knew right then you were the one. But I was caught up in physical attraction, but to my satisfaction, baby, you were more than just a fake. And if I ever fall in love again, I will be sure that the lady is a friend. If I ever fall in love so true, I will be sure that the lady's just like you. Oh, yeah, baby, yeah. My. I swear the next time she'll be my friend. Yeah. If I say that I'll be your one and only, promise that you'll never leave me lonely. I just wanna be the one you need. She's a sweet little girl. You can treat her right real nice and hold her tight. Only tenderonis can give the special love. The special love. What? You know what I'm saying? Trillion T.